video, we shall look at how to pay Atome via Instapay, and this is a step-by-step guide. Step number 1 says access your Atome app, open the Atome application on your smartphone, then navigate to the payment and then find the bills and then select pay now. So that is step number 2. Step number 3 says select the bank transfer and then choose bank transfer via Instapay option. And then step number 4 says locate the account number. So the account number is always having 16 digits with Asia United Bank. Okay, so step number 5 says initiate the transfer. Use your e-wallet or mobile banking application to initiate the transfer. Then step number 6 says enter the account number. And then step number 7 says enter the amount, enter the outstanding amount to be paid. And then step number 5 or step number 8 says review and complete and then confirm the payment. And then step number 9, complete payment, and then your payment should be processed in real time via Instapay. That is how simple it is. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We shall meet once again.